Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Galax White Theme GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. So friend, Galax White Theme GeForce RTX 4070 Ti comes with improved heat dissipation. And friend, the graphics card boost specification including a push clock of 2670 MHz, a memory speed of 21 Gbps and a GDDR6X 12GB graphics memory. And friend, the Galax has rebuilt their latest graphics card, the GeForc RTX 4070 Ti E12GB White TP, and the card comes equipped with NVIDIA's powerful GeForce RTX 4070 Ti and features sleek white design with ARGB LED illumination in the sides. And friend, it also has an improved cooling system featuring the original Wings 2.0 fan with 92 mm on the left and right and 120 mm in the center, and this result in better air volume and steady pressure, improving the card's heat dissipation efficiency. And it also comes with DisplayPortx3 and HDMIx1 interfaces and a 16-pin into 1 auxiliary power connector. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at around 925 euros. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.